So hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Ganan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So दोस्तों क्या आप लोगों को पता है सिचुएशनल इंग्लिश में कैसे बात करेंगे? So सिचुएशनल इंग्लिश में we have to use only present tense. Whatever is going on, you just show, and wherever you are, you just show. First, show your position, state of being. First, then you can go for your whatever you are doing right now. You just show, and whatever you have possession, you can show, and whatever are you going to do, you can just show. So only there are some structure which you can use in present tense, such as my brother is going to office. This is continue process, so you have to show the continue process, that whatever is going to whatever is being done, so you just show that my brother is going to office, my nephew is my nephew is going to school, and I'm making video. This is the continue process which I'm going to show. Whatever is being done right now, I just show you. So you know, so after this you just go for state of being. So right now I'm in my room, my elder brother is on the roof, and my mother is in the kitchen, and my bag is in my room. So you can just show state of being. After this, whatever you have, you just show that I have a mobile right now, and my brother has bicycle, my neighbor has a car, and my father has a bicycle. Whatever you can just show the position. And after, there are some structure you can use position instead of being an action. So I am in my room, and I am shooting a video, and I have a mobile. There are three structure which I am using in present tense. So if I talk about what I have to do, so I can just show that, right now I am in my room and I am making video. I have a mobile. I have to upload this video. I have to go to market. I have to buy some vegetables, and then I will take lunch, and I will take a siesta in the afternoon. There are some such certain structure you can use. You just, until you speak, you will not be able to speak. You just try to speak. Whatever you are going to do, you just say, okay, I have a mobile. I am going to put this mobile on the table. I have put my mobile on the table. Now I am going to take a shower. I have Suppose you are going to take a shower. You just say that, okay, I am going to take a shower. After taking a shower, you just say, okay, I have taken a shower. And after that, you just say, I am going to wear the clothes. Now after wearing the clothes, you just say, okay, I have put on the clothes. Now I am going to take breakfast. So suppose you are going to take your breakfast, you just say that, okay, I am going to take a breakfast. And when you finished your breakfast, you just say, okay, I have taken my breakfast. Now I am going to office. So you just say, hey, I am going to office. When you reached your office, you just say, okay, I have reached my office. So there are two more structure which you use. Whatever you are going to do, you just show, and after complete that work, you just say that I have completed it. So you can easily speak in English in present situation with some certain structure. So you just use present continuous tense, and have to, has to, and with whenever whatever you work done, you just say that I have done it, she has done it, like that. So I just give you some situations such as where you are, you just show that state of being. You just put is mr with subject, and you just show your position, and whatever you are doing, you just show your work with with ing. Suppose I am making video, so I just show whatever I'm doing, and after that you just show whatever you will do, that after shooting this video, I will upload this video, and I have to, if you obliged to do anything, you have to do. So you just, there is one more structure, I have to. So I have to wash my clothes, I have to take lunch, I have to go to market, like this. And if you done with your work, so you just show have, has plus third form, such as right now I am making video, and after making this video I have to upload this video, and after uploading this video, such as I have uploaded this video, so I just say, hey, I have uploaded my video. So you just show your completed action. And such as right now you are sitting, suppose right now I'm making video, and one of my friend come, so I just tell you, hey, one of my friend has come, so I'm going to stop shooting video, like this. Whatever is done in present time, you just take one structure, subject plus have, has plus verb third form. सच एज आई हैव डन समथिंग, मैंने अपने कपड़े धो लिए हैं, मैंने नाश्ता कर लिया है, और मैंने वीडियो भी अपलोड कर लिया है, तो मैं ऐसे बोलूँगा, सो गाइस, आई हैव टेकन माई ब्रेकफास्ट, आई हैव अपलोडेड माई वीडियो, आई हैव वॉश्ड माई क्लोथ्स, लाइक दिस. So guys, you can speak English. You just try to speak. If you try, you will definitely able to speak English. I am telling you. I am also a beginner like you, and I just try to speak whatever comes in my mind. So you don't think anything, you just try to speak. So you can watch some videos, and you can learn some vocab and structure from the video, and after learning those structure and vocab, you just practice by yourself. So, and when you feel that yes, I can speak English, then you can invite anyone, and you just try to speak, and you just share your feeling, describe yourself, describe your hometown. And this is all about this video, guys. So there is nothing big, there is no big deal to speak English. If you start, you will definitely be able to speak English. So thank you so much everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.